Hello and welcome to Advanced Driving Tuition. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do the roundabout. That method I use with my student, which is very simple. I will show them the iPad when we start, and I ask them a simple question. If we at the traffic light junction, and I would like you to go left at the traffic light, which signal would you give? And they will clearly tell you that we give left signal to go left. So if I ask them if we're going straight at the traffic light, which signal we're going to use? They tell you, right, we're not going to use any signal because we're going straight across. And if I ask them which signal we're going to use if we're going right at the traffic light, and they straight away tells me that we're going to go is a right signal for turning right. Once they told me this, then I will give them a demo, and I'll say, right, okay, just like a traffic light junction, it is a traffic light. So if I put a circle in the middle, now if I ask you to go left at the traffic light, which signal did you tell me that you're going to use? And the straightforward tells you, told you we're going to use a left signal when we're going left. So then I ask them which signal we're going to use if there was a traffic light junction, and they say we don't give any signal. So right, okay, yeah, we don't give any signal to start with, but because it's a roundabout, after the passing the exit we don't want, we give left signal. So we don't give any signal to start, but soon we pass the exit we don't want, we give left signal, and then we go left. So then I ask them, if we're going right at the traffic light, as we asked you before, which signal are we going to give for the right? And they straightaway tells you we're giving a right signal. So then I say, right, okay, same thing with the roundabout. You give right signal to start with, and soon you pass the exit you don't want, which is on this occasion is the second exit. We give left signal, and we go on to the third exit there. So once I make them understand this, then I use this method there, same method again. So just like on a roundabout, we all go clockwise. I mean, all go in one direction. No one come from the different direction unless it's crazy. So we all go in the same direction, like clockwise. So if I'm entering the roundabout, we always enter the roundabout from 6 o'clock. Which doesn't matter whichever side I'm entering the roundabout, my location always be at 6 o'clock. So if I'm entering the roundabout, then I ask them if I'm entering, which signal we give if we're going left at the roundabout there. And then the straight would tell me, right, okay, we're going left signal here. So yeah, left signal. Anyone coming from the right side, they will have a priority. Oncoming traffic on the roundabout, anyone coming from the right will have a priority. I will stop, I will wait. That's the method we normally use, which is called LADA. So we look, we assess the situation, we decide, and then we take act. So we're looking and we're assessing, is anyone coming into my direction from the right side? If I don't see anyone coming up, I will decide it's time for me to go, and I will come out. Because I have a signal on, I go straight away into the left side of the road. So as soon as I join the new road, the first thing I should be doing is checking the mirrors to make sure everything's okay around me. Then I ask them, what if I go second exit, just like a traffic light junction, we're going straight ahead, which signal do we need to give? So no signal to start with. So we give no signal, because if we give a left signal, the cars on the left hand side waiting to go out will get confused. So no signal to start with, but as soon as they pass the exit which I don't want, I want the second exit. So as soon as they pass the exit I don't want, I will give left signal, because when I give left signal, anyone waiting to come out, they know that straight away I've got the signal on, and they make their own way. So as soon as I join the new road, the very first thing we normally do is again check the mirror to make sure everything's okay around us. Then we carry on where we're going. Now if I ask my student, we're going to take a third exit, which is right at the roundabout. Now it's after 12 o'clock. So which signal do we need to give? Just like a traffic light junction, they will give a right signal to start with. And on this occasion, we do not want a second exit. So we start with the right signal, keep it right, going right. But as soon as we pass the exit, which is the second exit we don't want, we'll give left signal. We'll position ourselves onto the left side, and then we go to the exit we want, which is the third exit. As soon as we join a new road, which is the third exit, we look in the mirrors, and then we carry on. Now this is the method we normally I use with my student. Really easy. When I show them on iPad traffic light junction and explain them, just like a traffic light junction, roundabout is a junction, but it's because in a circle, so we go round, which is this we call a middle circle. So we go round the middle circle. Because we're going round, so it becomes a circle. But at the traffic light is a different. Traffic light junction is like a square box. So we go left at the lights, we go left at the roundabout, we give left signal. We go straight at the lights, we don't give any signal. With the roundabout, we don't give any signal. But as soon as we pass the exit we don't want, we give left signal. At the traffic light, we're going right at the traffic light. We give right signal to start with, and then we keep it right. But on the roundabout, as soon as we pass the exit, which we don't want, we switch the signal from right to left, and then we take the left lane and we go where we go in. Now, second thing we need to remember is how many lanes are on the approach. So if there is a 2 lanes, or if there's no marking on the road at all, and the road is wide enough for 2 cars, the rule is very simple. Left lane is always to go straight and left. Right lane always to go right, if there's a road enough for 2 cars to stop next to each other. And if there is a center line on the road, that makes it more easier. Same again here. Now the rule of the road again, left lane always to go straight and left, right lane always to go right. But if there was arrows on the road, then we follow the arrow. On here we can see the left lane only to go straight and left, right lane only to go right. Or sometime you will have a arrow different directions comes. If you're here, you can see that arrow will change here. It means now the left lane only go left, right lane to go straight, and take the third exit we use a right lane. Hope you understand. It's very nice and simple. If you want me to make any more video, let me know. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.